Many dowsers get inaccurate results from time to time. This video will show you how to identify, then release those fears of failure from your energy system so you can become a master dowser. Hey there, it's Colleen Flanagan, Mind Body Wisdom Expert and Dowsing Master. I wanted to make this quick video for those of you who are having, I'll call them epic fails in your dowsing adventures. I had them too years and years ago, but I didn't give up, and that's the most important thing. When people email me from around the world, what's wrong with my dowsing? I just want to give up. I've tried so hard and everything. So what you're expressing is your fear of failure and your fear that the tough times, the dowsing fails are never going to end. So clear that fear out. It's just a big old emotion. That's all it is. And it's probably linked to maybe something that you failed at in the past, like in your childhood. Who hasn't had problems in school and childhood and later on in life, middle school, college, all this? Just clear it out. So you just would say something very simple like, I release this fear of failure. I'm never going to be good at dowsing. I release this fear that my inaccurate dowsing will never end. I release this fear, I'm no good at this, I never will be good at this. I release this need to beat myself up, to tell myself I'm a terrible dowser, I'll never be as good as some of the great dowsing people all over the world. I release this fear from all the times I tried to dowse, maybe to help someone else or myself, and I got a bad answer. And that's all you got to do. Clear out. You can use EFT, any modality to release those fears and doubts until you feel empowered to begin again, to practice again, to keep at it. It's a skill like anything, like learning to swim, to ride a bike, to ride a horse, play tennis, I don't know, whatever you got to do. When we start a new job, we don't know what to do for the most part. We don't know all the ins and outs of people we could trust and not trust and all that stuff. It's sort of the same with dowsing as far as you got to trust yourself and clear out. I release all need to mistrust myself, to demean myself in my dowsing. No matter what anyone said that maybe I'm no good at certain things, my intuition sucks, that's my belief, I let it go. And I open myself to the miracle of dowsing now, and a very quick move from where I am in dowsing now, my skill level, to mastery, or at least professional level, wherever you want to be. That's all you got to do. Remember, it's just energy and it's emotions, and you can clear them by clearing your governing vessel meridian, whatever you got to do. So just let go of the fear. That's the biggest block. And that's my tip for today. Thank you. Good luck on your dowsing. Peace out. Decode life's mysteries. Learn dowsing today and help yourself, family, friends, and animal friends.